Hey guys, it's Jaclyn. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a look inspired by Pantone's 2019 color of the year. In case you don't know, Pantone has picked a color of the year for the last 20 years or so, and they do this by analyzing different trends in all aspects of design, including technology, fashion, and even general branding. So they do this, and this year's color is called Living Coral. According to Pantone's site, Living Coral is an animating and life-affirming coral hue with golden undertone that energizes and enlivens with a softer edge. I'm gonna put a little box up here on screen so you can see what I'm talking about, but to me it looks like a kind of peachy pink orange kind of a shade, so that is what I'm going to be basing today's look off of. So if you are new here, remember to hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any future videos. And also please give this video a thumbs up if you are excited about it. Alright, let's jump into it. So I've already moisturized my face using my LANEIGE Water Bank Moisture Cream. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into using my Smashbox Photofinish Primerizer. And then I'm going to take a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter for a Superstar Youth Glow. This is basically my favorite foundation routine, which I will be sure to link down below because I'm pretty sure I already showed this to you if that video goes up first, which it should. Now I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and just use it to conceal all the spots. So next I'm going to take my Smashbox Studio Skin 15 Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation and blend that in. And then today, to change it up a little bit, I'm going to take my Hello Fab Bendy Avocado Concealer in the shade 1 and use that to conceal a bit under the eyes. And then to set underneath the eyes, I'm going to take my Hourglass Veil Powder. And now I'm going to start the eyes. For that, I'm going to take my Smashbox 24 Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. And now from a custom palette of mine, I'm going to take this shade right here from Sydney Grace Co. called Summer Magic. It's just really like a nice skin tone of mine color. And just blend that all over with a fluffy brush. Next, on a fluffy brush, I'm going to take the shade right here called Creme Brulee, also by Sydney Grace Co., and dust that all over the crease. I'm actually going to zoom you in a little bit more so you can really see what I'm doing. Next, with a 230 brush, I'm going to take this orangey shade right here called Peach Crush, also by Sydney Grace Co. And dust that a little bit lower, more into the crease. Back in with that original fluffy brush, I'm going to take this shade Grace, which is just a little bit deeper than the shade we used previously to the orange one, and run that back through the crease. Next, using my Viseart Coy Palette, I'm going to take this shade right here on my ring finger and pat that all over the lid. Next, I'm going to take this more orangey shade right here, also using my finger, and put that right on top. Taking the fluffy brush once again, just going to blend it all through to make sure it looks seamless. Now using a Wayne Goss number 20 brush, I'm going to take that Creme Brulee shade once again and dust that underneath the lower lash line. And then on the outer edge, I'm going to use this shade right here called West Coast. It's also by Sydney Graceco. Finally, using a tiny little brush by Volair, I don't remember which one this is, I'm going to take this bottom shade right here from the Koi palette and put that in the inner corner of my eye. And now I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes using MAC's Teddy, which is a really dark brown eye kohl. And I'm going to go ahead and do my brows and my liner off camera, and I will be right back. Alright, so now for the rest of my face, I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand. Dot that around my face. I like to blend this in using my Sephora Pro Mini 55.5 brush. And then I'm going to take a little bit of my Marc Jacobs Do You Dewdrops and put that on my high points. And then now to finish powdering, I'm going to powder around my mouth once again using my Veil powder. For a little bit more bronze, I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. And I like to use a fluffy brush. To continue with the corally orange theme, I'm going to take MAC's Modern Mandarin and dust this all over my cheeks. And then for highlight, I'm going to take the other half of this Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow and really like work on buffing that in. And then for lips, I'm going to take MAC's Powdered Kiss Sweet No Sugar Lipstick. Alright, I'm going to go ahead, set my face, and put some mascara on, and I will be right back. And there you have it. This is my final look using the 2019 Pantone Color of the Year Living Coral. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you all real soon. Bye!